time is 10:22 p.m. Please keep your seatbelts on. Our pilots will turn off the seatbelt sign when it's safe to get up. Please leave your things where they are and until we have reached the gate. If your phone is closed, you can take it off of airplane mode. With our baggage service guarantee, your bags will be at the baggage claim within 20 minutes of our arrival at the gate, or see a baggage agent to receive a discount of miles towards a future flight. For information about connecting flights, check the monitors inside the terminal or use the Alaska Airlines mobile app. On behalf of all of us at Alaska Airlines, a proud member of the One World Alliance, it has been our pleasure serving you today. A special thank you to our mileage plan members and elites. It was nice to see you again. To join our award-winning program, visit alaskair.com/mileage plan. Whether this is your first time flying Alaska or fly with us often, thank you. Happy holidays and take care. Happy New Year.